Hello, good afternoon. This is David Slater talking to you. Today is my free daily signal for Thursday, September 19th, 2019. Okay, and the signal I'm shared in my Telegram signal group is for NZDCAD buy. Okay, and you see here on a 30-minute chart that we have an up arrow, and it looked like it hit a pretty solid level of support here, and it's getting ready to start going up. So I feel that now is a pretty good time to buy, but to be 100% safe, what I like to do, and this is what you should be doing also, is draw a trend line. Okay, and what all I have to do is go right here on the toolbar where it says draw a trend line, and go from this high point down to here. Okay, now I could also draw a trend line from here, this point, to this point here. Okay, so this is actually a better trend line, and if we go up to the hour, 1 hour chart, we have an up arrow, and the 4 hour we have no up arrow. So what I think will happen is, since there's no up arrow on the 4 hour, I think it's going to drop more, but in the short term it's definitely going to go up. It's going to go up, touch this trend line, and probably shoot down even further. Okay, that's just my guess. What I would recommend in this situation is to wait for this trend line here to be broken. Now you could draw a trend line down like this. Okay, and once this breaks, which I'm sure it will, what's going to happen is the price is going to shoot up, touch this trend line, and bounce off. So you kind of have two trend lines here. Okay, I just want to kind of point this out. You can definitely buy and catch some pips on the way up, which is about 100 pips. That's fine. Even if you give out 50 pips or so, that's fine. Not a big deal. But the thing is, if you want to be 100% certain, wait for this bigger trend line to break. Okay, if you go to the 4 hour, and it breaks, then you're definitely going to have a long uptrend. Okay, now we don't know what's going to happen exactly at this point, but based on the 4 hour, if you look at the daily, we have an up arrow. So it's kind of at a strong level of support, but it could drop further. We have this level of support right here. So there's a lot of things that could happen right now. But based on what's going on right now, is definitely a good time to buy and catch some pips, and then wait and see what happens. You want to set a small take profit, that's fine right here, and then wait again for this trend line to be broken. Once that trend, the big trend line is broken, then you really can catch some pips, because you can hold it for long term. Okay, so that is my free daily signal for today. NZDCAD, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar buy. I think long term is going to be going up. It's hard to say at this point, but it really looks like it's going to be going up, at least in the next few hours. Okay, so if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to me on Facebook. There's a link below in the description of this video for my personal Facebook account. Also, there is a link below in the description of this video for my private Facebook group. If you have not joined my Facebook group, I ask that you please do so, so that way you can post any questions or comments in there, and then everyone can collaborate as a team, and we can all learn from each other. Okay, so with that said, just let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you.